hair care tips for girls. Welcome to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Here are 16 hair care tips for girls to achieve healthy, strong, and shiny hairs. Let's start the video. Step 1. Know your hair type. First of all, identify your hair types. There are 3 types of hair: low porosity, medium porosity, or high porosity. Step 2. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. Use products suitable for your hair type. Either your hair have low porosity, medium porosity, or high porosity. Choose a sulfate-free shampoos to avoid stripping natural oils. Step 3. Don't overwash your hair. Washing hair too often can strip it of its natural oils. Aim to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your hair type and lifestyle. Step 4. Use lukewarm water. Avoid hot water as it can damage hair and scalp. Rinse with cool water to seal the hair cuticle for extra shine. Step 5. Condition properly. Apply conditioner mainly on the ends of your hair. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Step 6. Avoid harsh towel drying. Gently squeeze out excess water with a microfiber towel or a soft t-shirt. Avoid rubbing your hair vigorously to prevent breakage. Step 7. Limit heat styling tools. Minimize the use of heat tools like blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons. Always use a heat protectant spray before styling. Step 8. Use a wide-tooth comb. Detangle wet hair with a wide-tooth comb, or you can use a wooden comb to reduce breakage. Start from the ends and work your way up to the roots. Step 9. Regular trimming. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends. Regular trims promote healthy hair growth. Step 10. Protect your hair from the sun. Wear a hat or use a UV protectant spray to shield your hair from sun damage. UV rays can dry out and weaken hair. Step 11. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair hydrated from within. Hydrated hair is less prone to dryness and breakage. Step 12. Eat a balanced diet. Consume foods rich in vitamins and minerals like biotin, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Also, add nuts and seeds in your diet. A healthy diet promotes strong and shiny hair. Step 13. Avoid tight hairstyles. Avoid tight ponytails, braids, or buns that can cause tension and breakage. Opt for looser styles to reduce strain on your hair. Step 14. Use silk pillowcase. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent tangles. Silk pillowcases are gentler on hair and help maintain moisture. Step 15. Scalp care. Massage your scalp regularly to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub to remove buildup and keep the scalp healthy. Step 16. DIY hair masks. Treat your hair with homemade masks using natural ingredients like honey, yogurt, and avocado. Apply a hair mask once a week for added moisture and nourishment. These tips cover a wide range of hair care practices that can help girls maintain healthy, shiny, and strong hair. If you enjoy my video, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!